one reason particularly we like Lakme, because it has this throttle already in it, and I think that drives us all the time. I love everything. I love the energy. As we talked about the energy, it's the backstage energy. The overall, I think the whole event's energy is it's bomb. It's just to next level, and we love it. There's no hatred of any sort. Every look has its own value, and some take 20 days, some take 1 day, some take 2 days. So work cannot be defined with in any format basically.
The outfits are all done by Chola the label, so again it's very androgynous. There's a lot of gender fluidity that's happening, and for the jewelry there are a lot of like eyewear and pieces that are for the face and that are specifically done to kind of address the theme for the collection, which is basically to do with drag queens and the sort of emotional kind of space that they go through. So the facial sort of pieces are created to kind of show a divide and a distinction between society and the person. So it's very conceptual pieces like earrings, we've got brooches, we've got hair pieces, lots of variety. I mean, you know, it kind of happens simultaneously. The minute you kind of have a theme, you kind of start simultaneously working on it, researching, so it kind of comes together all in one go instead of sort of going, you know, bit by bit.
Erupting volcano, Chola, the label, and Roma Nasingani. It's a volcano eruption today at Lakme Fashion Week. I love the way it's looking now. I love the outfit, I love the makeup, I love Roma, I love Chola, they're my sisters, they just drag. I'm like, Chola, I want to do it. She's like, you sure? I'm like, yeah. She's like, you have to dress drag and you have drag makeup, and I'm like, let's do it, I want to do it.
There was a collection by the name of Mastani, which was a Gota collection, and seeing those pieces, AL thought that it could be taken to another level, and therefore this collection came about. I've grown up with colors and with Gota all around me, you know, like my great grandmothers passed down cholis and odhnis have been fabulous inspirations for me, and so the little bit of color nuances that I child absorbed came into play now, and so that was a very big inspiration, and the fact that the craftsmanship was to another level that we took it was actually museum quality. It was almost like that's how we came about the miniaturist, and as you've seen the collection, that the quality and the work that we have tried to achieve is something that has not been done before.